So today we're gonna be making Jiggly Banana Split.
Oh, it sounds like fun.
Yep.
Jiggly?
We're gonna be using Jello.
Okay.
But first, we're gonna peel the banana. Peel the banana. Peel the banana. Now we're gonna cut the banana. Okay, I got the cut banana. Oh.
Yeah. Let's be fine.
Yep, just one little cut. With a big cut. Yep. Okay. Now for the jelly. Okay. Now for jiggly bun. Now for jiggly jello. It doesn't look like there's enough space for this.
You can put in 2.
Yeah, 2 is enough. 3 is too much.
Push it. Get in here.
It's so sticky and jiggly.
You need a spoon, honey.
Okay. I guess it's good to use the spoon because it needs to be cut, kind of. Okay. Another one. Whoop. This one will go in. So another spoon.
Yeah, it's okay. You can let it down.
Oh,
You need to get hand.
get in the middle. Okay. Now, we need to spread these bananas. We need a bigger bowl for this. Okay. Jiggly.
And then
Some vanilla ice cream. You can use any brand. You don't have to use Ben & Jerry's. You can use other brands.
It looks fun. And
when I put it on, it's jiggly. It's
Yeah.
jiggling right now.
yeah, that's why. It's jiggly. It looks yum and fun.
Boop. One more scoop of ice cream.
You want another spoon?
Nope. I'm okay.
Well, there's napkin for you.
I know.
It's looking good.
Okay.
Looking
Let's
yum.
get some. Let's get a cherry.
Okay.
I'll clean the spoon up before I do it, so all of them won't get ice creamy.
It's one cherry.
Yep, just one. Okay, so let's put this one cherry on.
Yeah.
Let's put a little bit of juice.
Okay.
Okay.
And then which
So-
one can he add?
Some Hershey.
Chocolatey.
Okay.
What?
Mm.
Yes.
Then some sprinkles.
Yummy rainbow sprinkle coming on the jingly pillow. Wow, it's so yummy now and beautiful.
Yep.
Is-
Let's actually put some. Let's have some slice jello on the slice.
Oh, really?
For a little addition. For a little addition. Boop. Now I'm gonna get the knife. And I'm going to cut it in half.
Mm-hmm.
And then the foot. And then the fourth. Two. Okay, got some fourth. One here. One here. One here. And one here.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so we're gonna do some more, but the cherry is a falling cherry because the one it's on is actually leaning,
Mm-hmm.
and the ice cream is kind of melty. Okay, so let's get some more ice cream before it all melts. Let's save a small of a scoop. Smell of a little bit of ice cream here, and a little bit of ice cream over here. Get it there. Okay?
And then
And
Yes.
then we have some Hershey. We put a little bit of we put a teaspoon on there, 1 teaspoon, and another 1 teaspoon here,
mm-hmm.
and then 1 more teaspoon right on the cherry. Nobody will know it's a cherry. Only with this. Okay, now it's a chocolate cherry.
Mm.
It looks okay. So
Okay.
we cover it all with sprinkles. Okay, that should be enough.
Finally sprinkle it around the table. Okay.
Sprinkles everywhere.
Okay, how tastes yours?
Okay.
Jiggly Jello Banana Split.
Okay, let me just clean the spoon first, so don't have too much of chocolate. Okay, let's taste it. Okay. It's so jelly.
Tastes like Jello
That's good.
ice cream. That's good. Okay. Yeah, I know this is look yummy and fun food. Maybe it's like a birthday party.
All the sprinkles are the people. And this is a huge party.
Mm-hmm.
They get to climb up the jello right here. Look,
Mm-hmm.
and they're climbing. Okay. So be sure to subscribe, click the bell, give me a thumbs up, and click the notification bell. See you guys in the next video. See ya.